Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. I'm so glad you're here. If you love bringing a touch of nature and rustic charm to your home, today's video is going to be a real treat. We are diving into the world of rustic live edge benches with backrests, perfect seating ideas for your porch, garden, or any outdoor space. These benches are not just practical, they are pieces of art that celebrate the natural beauty of wood. Imagine stepping onto your porch and seeing a bench that feels both sturdy and inviting, with curves and textures that remind you of the tree it came from. That's the magic of live edge design. Every knot, every groove, every irregularity tells a story. And with a backrest, these benches don't just look amazing, they are incredibly comfortable for morning coffee, afternoon reading, or evening chats with friends and family. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the bell icon so you never miss our daily rustic decor and woodworking inspiration. Trust me, you'll want to see everything we have in store. So, why are live edge benches such a great choice for outdoor spaces? First, they are completely unique. No two pieces of wood are the same, which means your bench is truly one of a kind. The natural edge of the wood keeps the organic shape intact, giving your outdoor seating a sense of authenticity and warmth. Next, they are durable. Many live edge benches are made from hardwoods like oak, walnut, cedar, or teak, which are naturally resistant to outdoor conditions. Paired with a quality finish, these benches can last for years, weathering sun, rain, and wind while still looking stunning. And let's not forget the backrest, a feature that transforms a simple bench into a cozy retreat. Whether you're lounging with a book or hosting a garden party, a bench with a backrest makes your seating comfortable and inviting. Now let's explore some design ideas for rustic live edge benches. A classic single slab bench features a wide slab of wood with a gently curved live edge, and a simple slatted backrest, often paired with chunky log legs for a traditional rustic feel. Mixed wood benches combine contrasting wood tones for the seat and backrest. Like a walnut seat with a cedar backrest, creating a warm, handcrafted contrast. Log-based benches use natural log sections as legs or support, keeping the design grounded in rustic authenticity while showcasing the raw beauty of the tree. Curved live edge benches follow the natural contours of the wood more dramatically, creating a flowing, sculptural look, perfect for garden nooks or winding paths. And for those who love a modern twist, blending live edge wood with minimalist metal legs creates a contemporary rustic aesthetic, perfect for porches that mix modern and rustic styles. Each of these benches works beautifully with outdoor cushions, weather-resistant throws, or simple decor accents like potted plants or lanterns. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and join our community. We post daily rustic and DIY decor inspiration, so you'll always have fresh ideas to make your home feel cozy and unique. When choosing a live edge bench for your porch or garden, the material and finish are essential. Hardwoods like teak, oak, and cedar are naturally durable and resistant to moisture. Finishes can be natural oils, sealants, or weatherproof stains that protect your bench while highlighting the wood grain. Cushions are optional, but highly recommended for comfort, with outdoor fabrics that resist fading and moisture. A quick wipe down and occasional oiling or sealing will keep your bench looking new for years. Once your bench is in place, styling it can make your porch or garden even more inviting. Place lanterns or string lights nearby for a cozy evening ambience. Surround your bench with potted flowers or greenery to enhance the natural aesthetic. Mix and match rustic side tables or small live edge coffee tables for a cohesive outdoor setup. Adding seasonal touches, like soft throws in winter or outdoor cushions in summer, brings both comfort and style. With a few thoughtful touches, your rustic live edge bench can become the centerpiece of your outdoor living area. If you love these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment telling us which style of bench you'd love in your garden or porch, and don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily rustic decor inspiration. Live edge benches are more than just beautiful, they are functional and sustainable. Many are crafted from salvaged or locally sourced wood, giving new life to natural materials while reducing environmental impact. A well-chosen bench encourages outdoor relaxation, family time, and a connection to nature. Sitting on a smooth, organic piece of wood with a backrest can feel incredibly grounding, a small daily escape in your own backyard. Whether you're hosting friends, reading a book, or simply enjoying a quiet moment in nature, a live edge bench makes outdoor living more inviting and stylish. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these rustic live edge bench ideas inspired you to add natural beauty and comfort to your porch or garden. If you try one of these designs or have a favorite style, drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily rustic decor and woodworking inspiration, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. From cozy porches to serene gardens, live edge benches bring the warmth of nature right to your doorstep. See you in the next video, and happy decorating!